Hello, everyone, and welcome to Level Up Your English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. In today's video, we will show you a real-life conversation at a cafe.
You will learn simple English to order coffee and food.
This conversation is perfect for basic-level English learners.
So relax, listen, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
Hi, Jake.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good, too. A little tired, but good.
Same here. I woke up early today.
Me too. I think I need coffee.
Yes, coffee sounds perfect right now.
Good thing we are at a cafe.
Yes, this cafe looks very nice.
I like it. It's small, but very cozy.
And it smells amazing.
Yes, I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too. It always makes me feel happy.
Do you come to cafes often?
Yes, I do. I like working in cafes sometimes.
Really?
Yes, I bring my laptop and sit for a while.
That sounds nice.
What about you? Do you come to cafes often?
Yes. I come maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh, wow, that's a lot.
I really like coffee.
What is your favorite coffee?
I usually drink cappuccino.
Cappuccino is very good.
What about you? What do you usually drink?
I usually drink a latte.
Latte is a good choice.
I like coffee with milk.
Me too. Black coffee is too strong for me.
Yes, I agree.
Sometimes black coffee tastes bitter.
Exactly.
Do you want something to eat too?
Maybe let's look at the menu.
Good idea.
I see croissants.
I see muffins too.
And there are cookies.
Everything looks delicious.
Yes, it does.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Me too.
Maybe we should order something small.
That sounds good.
I think I want a croissant.
Croissants are always a good idea.
What about you?
I think I want a chocolate muffin.
Chocolate muffins are amazing.
Yes, I love chocolate.
Me too.
So we need 2 drinks and 2 snacks.
Yes.
A latte for you,
Yes.
and a cappuccino for me,
Correct.
and a croissant,
Yes.
and a chocolate muffin.
Perfect.
Let's go order.
Okay.
Okay, Emma, I think it's our turn to order.
Yes, I think so too.
Let's check our order again.
Good idea.
You want a latte, right?
Yes, a small latte.
And a croissant?
Exactly.
And I want a cappuccino.
A large cappuccino.
Yes, large.
And the chocolate muffin.
Yes, the chocolate muffin looks really good.
I agree, it looks fresh.
Okay, let's order.
Hello.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Can I have a small latte, please?
Of course, 1 small latte.
And I'd like a large cappuccino, please.
Sure, large cappuccino.
Also 1 croissant.
And 1 chocolate muffin.
All right. Would you like anything else today?
No, that's all for now.
Yes, that's everything.
Okay, would you like your latte hot or iced?
Hot, please.
And the cappuccino?
Hot as well. Perfect.
Would you like sugar with your coffee?
Yes, a little sugar, please.
No sugar for me.
No problem. Would you like milk alternatives? We have oat milk and almond milk.
Oh, regular milk is fine for me.
Yes, regular milk is fine.
Great. Your total is $8.50.
Okay.
I can pay.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's my treat today.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was very smooth.
Yes, ordering coffee here is easy.
The barista was very nice.
Yes, very friendly. Do you usually drink coffee every day?
Almost every day.
Me too. Coffee helps me wake up in the morning.
Same here.
Without coffee, I feel very sleepy.
Exactly. Coffee gives me energy.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely.
Me too.
But sometimes tea is nice in the evening.
Yes, especially when it's cold outside.
True.
Look, they're making our coffee now.
Yes, I see the coffee machine.
The machine is very big
Coffee machines in cafes are always big.
and very noisy.
Yes, they make a lot of noise.
I like watching how they make coffee.
Me too. It's interesting.
They grind the coffee beans,
And then they make the espresso.
and then they add milk.
Exactly.
Do you make coffee at home?
Sometimes.
Do you have a coffee machine?
Yes, a small one.
Does it make good coffee?
It's okay, but cafe coffee is better.
I agree.
Coffee from a cafe always tastes better.
Maybe because someone else makes it.
That's probably true.
Latte and cappuccino.
That's us.
Yes.
Let's get our drinks.
And our food.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
The coffee smells amazing.
Yes, it smells very good.
Let's find a table.
Good idea.
I see an empty table over there.
Perfect.
Let's sit there.
Great. This table is nice.
Yes, it's perfect.
And it's next to the window.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too. I like watching people outside.
Same here.
Okay, let's try the coffee.
Yes, let's do it.
My latte is very good.
Really?
Yes, it's hot and creamy.
My cappuccino smells amazing.
Try it.
Okay. Wow, that's really good.
I told you.
The coffee here is excellent.
Yes, I like this cafe.
Me too. I think I will come here again.
Definitely.
Let's try the food.
Yes, I want to try the croissant.
How is it?
It's very good.
Is it fresh?
Yes, very fresh and soft.
Nice.
Try your muffin.
Okay.
Is it good?
Yes, it's really good.
Chocolate muffins are always good.
I agree.
Do you like sweet food in the morning?
Sometimes.
I do.
Croissants and muffins are perfect with coffee.
Exactly.
Do you usually eat breakfast at home?
Sometimes.
What do you usually eat?
Usually toast and coffee.
That sounds simple.
Yes, I like simple breakfasts.
Me too.
What about you?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I also eat fruit.
That's healthy.
I try.
This cafe is very relaxing.
Yes, it's calm.
And the music is nice.
Yes, the music is soft.
It's a good place to talk.
Or to work.
True.
I see some people working on laptops.
Yes, cafes are popular places to work.
Do you like working in cafes?
Yes, sometimes.
Why?
Because the atmosphere is nice.
And there's good coffee.
Exactly.
So, Emma, what are your plans for today?
Later today, I'm meeting a friend.
Oh, nice.
Yes, we are going to the park.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I have some work this afternoon.
Busy day?
A little.
Well, at least you started the day with good coffee.
That's true.
I really enjoyed this coffee break.
Me too.
We should come here again sometime.
Definitely.
Maybe next weekend.
Good idea.
Next time, I might try a different coffee.
Like what?
Maybe an iced latte,
That sounds good.
especially in summer.
Yes, iced coffee is perfect in hot weather.
Well, I think it's time to go.
Yes, I should get ready for work.
But this was a great start to the day.
Coffee always helps.
And good conversation, too.
Exactly.
Thank you for listening.
We hope this real-life conversation helped you practice your English.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Level Up Your English.
And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!